HostMonster Review. Pros. Affordable introductory pricing. HostMonster is known for enticing offers for first-time customers, making it a budget-friendly option to start with. Free domain name. Their plans include a free domain name for the first year, saving you a bit of money up front. Ease of use. HostMonster provides an enhanced panel designed for a user-friendly website management experience, good security features. You get options like SSL certificates, site backup tools, and spam protection. 24/7. Support. HostMonster promises customer support round the clock. Cons. Expensive renewals. The promotional pricing is for your initial contract. Renewal rates increase significantly. Limited resources. Even on higher-tier shared hosting plans, your site's allotted resources may be restrictive. Slow loading speeds. Some users experience slow loading times, which can harm website performance and user experience. Aggressive upselling. Be prepared for frequent upselling attempts for additional services. Part of EIG. HostMonster is owned by Endurance International Group, EIG, a company with a history of acquiring and potentially reducing the quality of hosting services over time. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.